Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, June the first day of June 2022. We have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, we have a 2 stars, the 3 star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. And those puzzles are the Sudoku with 3 stars, binary, and a tectonic with 4 stars. Otherwise it will be too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. So otherwise it will be a day job. So, first puzzle. 3 stars Sudoku number 4636. Before I start, I always count on printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. 3 stars has always 25. Alright. And for 3 stars puzzle, 25 printed digits, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here only one, 2 twos, 1, 2, 3 threes, 1, 2, 3 fours, 1, 2, 3 fives, 1, 2, 3, 4 sixes. Alright, 4 sixes. 2 sevens, 1, 2, 3, 3 eights, 3 and 3 nines. So the sixes are a majority. But can I start with a 6? Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. Let me see. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay. 9, 9. Let me see. 8. Interesting. We have a 4 in this row, the 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Interesting. 5, 5, 5. 1. 9, 9, 9, 9. I'm scanning. 6, 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 9 and a 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in this column, so no 9 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 7, 9 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column, first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row. 8. Oh, wait. We have a pair. 8 and a 5 in this row. 8 and a 5 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 2 places left for the 8 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 7, 7. Then 3, 3. Need a 2. Okay. All right. 1-1. Hmm. 7, 7. 7, 7. Need a 7 there. Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in this column. No 9 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 9. Shoot there. 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9 in the first column, so no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be here. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in first row, so no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 9 should be here. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next. On that column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. Here, 9 in this row, so no 9 in that box. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this second column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in the last row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8, 8. Wait. 8, 8. No. 1, 6, 7, 7. Let me think. Alright. 3. 3. Yeah. Thinking. 1. Yeah. Come on. Where is the opening? 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this column, the second column. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. So 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. That means 1 digit left in this column. Should be a 7, I believe. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 is missing. Okay. So these 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. Yeah, 2, 3, 7. Alright. Think. 4, 5. 5. 5. What we have a pair. Yeah. 5 and a 7 in this column. 5 and a 7 in the column next. So the last column, Only 3 places left for the 5 and the 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. And look, we have also a 5 and a 7 in the last row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. Alright. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1, 6. 6, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 6. Well, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Here, also a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here or there in the last row, here or there. We see here another 6 in the last column, so no 6 in that box, so 1 box left for the 6. Should be here. Then. 1 and 2. Okay. 1, 2, 4. Okay. Let me continue. 1 and 2. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those, 4 and 8. Same for here, the 4 and 8. Oh! We have an 8 here. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. Overlooked. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there. In the last column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers now in the last row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 6. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see there 6? No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see there 6 in this row, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Can I count the 1s? Yes, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 1 box left in this third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row, 7 and a 5. 7 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.